Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQ of 12th of June 2021. But before we begin, quiz. Who has been appointed as the Director General of CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force? Where is Gangavaram Port located? The Employees Provident Fund Organization (EPFO) has kept the interest rate on Provident Fund deposit at what percent for the financial year 2021? What is the length of India's first elevated urban expressway, Dwarka Expressway? Who is the CEO of Wipro? Who has been given the additional charge for Revenue Secretary? Who has been awarded the 30th Bihari Puraskar Award? Where is the headquarters of EIBA, International Boxing Association? Who has been appointed as the first Vice President and Chief Operating Officer of Federal Reserve Bank of New York? Which state has topped in land record digitalization according to NCAER's Land Record and Survey Index 2021? So these were the quiz questions. Let's discuss the answers now. So who has been appointed this DG of CRPF? Kuldeep Singh. Kuldeep Singh. Gangavaram Port is located in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. EPFO has kept its interest rate at 8.5%. 8.5. The length of Dwarka Expressway is 29 km. 29 km. Who is the CEO of Wipro? Thierry Delaporte. Thierry Delaporte. Who has given the additional charge for Revenue Secretary? Tarun Bajaj. Tarun Bajaj. 30th Bihari Puraskar Award has given to Mohan Krishna Bohra. Mohan Krishna Bohra. Headquarters of AIBA is in Switzerland. Switzerland. Who has been appointed first Vice President is Noureen Hassan. Noureen Hassan. Which state has topped in land record digitalization? Is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh. So let's discuss our today's current affairs. Which among the following bank has topped in the Forbes World's Best Bank in India in 2021's list in India? So this is DBS Bank, Development Bank of Singapore, which is headquartered in Singapore. This bank has topped in Forbes World's Best Bank. CBS of Kerala, based in Kerala, has topped second. ICICI Bank has topped third. So remember these things. And if you talk about CEO of DBS, he is Piyush Gupta. Piyush Gupta. Don't confuse this name Piyush Gupta with Piyush Srivastava. Piyush Srivastava is India's ambassador to Bahrain. Bahrain's capital Manama. And it was the third edition. Remember this, it was the third edition. And DBS Bank's headquarters is in Singapore. CSB Bank is in Kerala. ICICI Bank headquarters is in Mumbai. State Bank of India headquarters in Mumbai. Rajneesh Kumar is the chairman. Who has become the 6th president of Mongolia? So recently, Ukhna Khurelsukh has become the 6th president of Mongolia. And if you talk about Mongolia, what is the capital? The capital is Ulaanbaatar. Ulaanbaatar is the capital of Mongolia. What is the currency? Togro. Yan Dinko Singh passed away recently. He was related to which among the following field? So he was a boxing. He was a boxer, and he is from Manipur. He is from Manipur, and he has won gold medal in 1998, which was in Asian Games, which was held in Bangkok. Which was held in Bangkok's Asian Games. Asian Games 1998. He has won the gold medal. So one of the important question, Yan Dinka Singh, he is from Manipur and he is a boxer. Buddhadev Dasgupta passed away. He was the National Film Awardee in which among the following category? So he was the director. He is a director and he passed away in Kolkata. So remember this. Who is the author of the book titled Tiananmen Square, The Making of the Protest? So this book has been written by Vijay Gokhale. Vijay Gokhale has written the book Tiananmen Square, The Making of the Protest. Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary has become the 7th national park of which state? So recently, if you know, 6th national park has been approved of. So let me tell you the answer. See, this is from Assam. 6th national park is Raimona. 6th national park is Raimona National Park, and now 7th national park is Dehing Patkai. Which are the other national parks? That is Nameri, Orang National Park, Dibru Saikho, and Raimona is there, Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park, Manas. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Raimona is the 6th, and recently 7th national park is Dehing Patkai National Park. If you talk more about Assam, who is the chief minister? The newly elected Hemant Biswa Sarma, and recently they have launched Mukhyamantri Shishu Seva Achoni scheme. Mukhyamantri Shishu Seva Achoni scheme. And if you talk about Assam Rifles, recently they observed their 186th Raising Day, which is the oldest paramilitary force in India, which will protect our border with Myanmar. Remember about Assam Rifles. And Assam Rifles, recently the 21st DG has been elected, and his name is PC Nair. Pradeep Chandra Nair. So he has been elected the 21st Director General of Assam Rifles. And recently Assam has launched Guardian Minister, and Roopsi Airport has been inaugurated recently. Roopsi Airport. And you should know two persons from Assam. One is Parul Devidas, and the second is Bhumidhar Barban. Who are they? Parul Devi Das is the first woman IAS officer of Assam. Parul Devi Das is the first woman IAS officer from Assam, and Bhumidhar Barman is the former chief minister of Assam, recently passed away. So, and Parul Devi Das, first woman IAS officer, she also passed away, and Bhumidhar Barman, former chief minister of Assam, passed away recently. So these things you have to remember with respect to Assam. Remember one more, 18 elephants were dead found. 18 elephants were found dead in Nagaon district of Assam. And recently they have launched or created Murhen yoga mat. Which bank has partnered with Fisdom to offer wealth management solution? So this is Indian Bank. So Indian Bank has partnered with Fisdom to offer wealth management solution. If you talk about Indian Bank, where is the headquarters? Chennai, and it is the seventh largest public sector bank, PSB. And who is the CEO? CEO is Padmaja Chandru. Padmaja Chandru is the CEO of Indian Bank, and your own bank is your tagline. Your own bank is the tagline of Indian Bank. Tagline is the of Indian Bank. Recently, BSNL has signed an MOU with Indian Bank. For what purpose? For the telecom service at a competitive rate. Reserve Bank of India has imposed a penalty of 4 crore rupees on which among the following bank? So this is Bank of India. So recently Reserve Bank of India has imposed 4 crore rupees on Bank of India and 2 crore on PNB Bank also. Punjab National Bank. Bank of India headquartered in Mumbai and PNB Bank headquartered in New Delhi. Bank of Baroda, Vadodara in Gujarat, its headquarters. Indian Bank, Chennai. Indian Bank, ICICI Bank headquarters Mumbai. HDFC also bank headquarters in Mumbai. Kannada writer Dr. Siddhalingaya passed away recently. He was from which state? So this is easy. So he is from Karnataka. Who is the chief minister? B.S. Yediyurappa. What is the capital? Bangalore. The silk city or the space city? Bangalore. And who is the governor? Vajubhai Vala is the governor of Karnataka. And we have the national parks: Bannerghatta National Park, Bandipur National Park, Kudaремukh, Nagarhole, and Anshi National Park. So these are the 5 national parks in Karnataka. Recently, Karnataka's 31st district is Vijaypur. And recently they have launched Hasarghatta grassland. There is Hasarghatta grassland in Karnataka. Okay, so these are some of the points. Recently, one more latest Akansha portal has been launched by Karnataka government. Which ministry has launched the Center Athlete Injury Management System? CAIMS for training of athletes for Olympic 2024. So this is Ministry of Sports, Kiran Rijiju. Kiran Rijiju, and his constituency is Arunachal West. Arunachal West. He has launched this CAIMS. So remember this. Which company is all set to build world's longest undersea cable connecting America, Brazil, Argentina, and Uruguay? So this is Google. So Google is all set to build world's largest undersea cable connecting America, Brazil, Argentina, and Uruguay. Who is the CEO? Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai. Which country will host the 47th G7 Summit 2021? So this is UK. UK. Boris Johnson is the president. Boris Johnson is the president of UK, and they will host the 47th G7 Summit 2021. So these were the current affairs of 12th of June. See you on 13th of June.